Hi, Faust family. This is Dr. Jacqueline Stocker. Dear Farnsworth students and families, I've been teaching for 11 years, and I am excited to begin our journey together. This year, our most important goal will be to build a community of learners so students have help when they need it. Materials and assignments for my classes will be posted in Schoology by class, Foundations, ELA 7 or ELA 8, and by date and topic. If you need help or have questions, please email me at jacqueline.stocker@spps.org. Thank you for emailing. My classroom phone is 651-744-2050. If I do not answer, I am teaching students and would appreciate an email so I know to call you or email you. Please let me know good times to call you if you would like a call. I appreciate the insights of families. Thank you.